The third developer preview of Android M Marshmallow was released a few days back, and the Bootanimation extracted from that developer preview works on almost all rooted Android devices. And here's how to install that. The basic requirement for this to work is root access. You also need a file manager that has root access, and for some file managers like ES File Manager, you will have to enable the root explorer, then browse to the root of your device and then go to system/media. In the media folder you will get a bootanimation.zip file. This is the original Bootanimation file. You can rename this to something like Bootanimation old so that it doesn't get overwritten when we replace it by the other Bootanimation file. Now go to your SD card and browse to the bootanimation.zip file, the zip file that you download from the description, and copy that to the previous directory system/media under the root of the device, and copy that Bootanimation file there. After you copy the file there, you will have to change the permissions of the file. Change it to RWRR as you see in the video. That's it. Now you have Android Marshmallow Bootanimation on your device. If you like the Bootanimation, you can like the video also and press the subscribe button to stay updated with more content. You can also watch some older videos that I made.